preparing resolutions. They fail or not, pass or not is a different story. You all prepare resolutions? Yes. Okay, it could be anything. Going to a gym, reading books, improving public speaking, being fit, whatever. So why do we prepare resolutions? To transform ourselves. Right? We want to reach from where we are to where we want to transform ourselves. And may I ask a question to audience? Do you feel that there is a leader hidden among all of us?
Yes.
It could have come out at different scales, different times. As you mentioned, even I believe that there is a leader hidden among all of us. That is all about today's theme, leadership odyssey. The idea behind the theme is to find a leader hidden among yourself and transform yourself from where you are to where you want to be. And there is no better time than the new year to write your own odyssey. So, talking of leaders, we all have our own favorite leaders. Somebody we look up to. For a cricketing buff, it could be Sourav Ganguly. For somebody who follows current affairs, it could be Nitin Gadkari. For somebody who is fond of history, it could be Sri Mahatma Gandhi. We all have our own favorite leaders. If you ask me, Vishal, who is your favorite leader? Without a shadow of a doubt, without any hesitation, I say it's my mother. I come from a school of thought which says, if father is the man of the home, then mother is the leader of the home. Because mother epitomizes true leadership. A mother is resilient. A mother is sacrificial. A mother puts the family ahead of her own personal needs. A mother adapts, and most importantly, whenever needed, a mother protects, and a mother is authoritative as and when needed. So whenever we look up to any leader, aren't these the same qualities that we try to seek in a new leader or try to seek in an ideal leader? So it was because of this striking resemblances between the qualities of a mother and the expected qualities of a leader. I always believe mother to be a good leader. So in this time of New Year, in this occasion, let us all find the hidden leader among ourselves. Let us all learn from the virtues of the great leaders. Let us all learn from our own mothers. And script our own leadership odyssey and transform our lives to be a better version of ourselves. And to improve leadership skills, aren't we at a wonderful place? Is there a better place than Toastmasters to improve your leadership skills? Not only can you learn from your mothers at home, you can learn from other leaders. For the benefit of the guests, let me tell you, Toastmasters International was founded in the year 1924 by a person named Ralph C. Smitty. The whole intention behind the organization is to help people improve their public speaking and communication skills. In an ideal Toastmasters meeting, there will be 3 segments. The first one being the prepared speech segment, wherein the speaker is already mentored with a speech and is going to deliver the speech as per the project guidelines. In the second segment, we have the table topic session. So table topic session is all about impromptu speaking, or as good as pick and speak from your school days. So during this session, a person will be invited to the stage, a topic will be given on the spot and is expected to speak. And the final section, which as per me is the evaluation session. We do all the good work, but there is always scope for improvement. We always need to know what is it that we did well and what is it we could have done better. So during the evaluation session, all the speakers, all the role takers and all facets of the meeting will be monitored and will be evaluated. So to take the session further, I am going to invite a very special person onto the stage, a very special leader. He has represented the club in various contests at division level and area level. He has been a past president of Daffodils. By profession, he is a business lead in business head in Amazon. So ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Toastmaster Manoj with a big round of applause. He is going